Design and purchasing as related to asset longevity, right? How its life cycle works. It's absolutely paramount that if you don't do the research, if you don't do the design specifications to figure out what it is you need this machine to, it's going to fail. So for instance, if from a design perspective, if I say I want a car that I can use to drive 100 miles a day each day to work, and I don't design it right, when I actually needed a Prius or a Tesla to get me to and from because it was the most reliable and cost effective, I might end up with a big diesel truck that's not really towing anything, but costs me a bazillion dollars to maintain. And it has a whole lot of functionality and capacity that I don't use for any reason. So if I didn't design it correctly, I may get an asset that'll do the job. Or conversely, I needed that big diesel truck to be able to tow a whole lot of weight. And I bought a Prius. And now I can't tow that weight, at least not as effectively or as efficiently as I thought I could. Now, once that's done, so they kind of follow along with each other, I go to purchase that piece of equipment, right? And as they're trying to source it, I may have asked for several different specific things on that vehicle, right? It could be a piece of equipment too. It could be a cheese shredder. It could be a bottle machine. But I ask for a whole bunch of things that seem very specific or when they're not, or they're not even needed. So I get all these bells and whistles. Like I just needed four wheels and an engine with a transmission, and now I'm going to end up having to maintain automatic running boards, and I didn't really need that for the operation that I was buying. We do that a lot these days in manufacturing with robots and vision systems and things. That we definitely needed a robot in a specific area, but we didn't need that specific one. So we oversized it or undersized it for the application, and then we kind of shoot ourselves in the foot long term.